Today I'll show you how to get paid testing websites and apps. It's absolutely free to make this strategy work and worldwide available as well. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question or leave an opinion. With that said, I'm going to start right away with this tutorial so I can show you everything, and I'm going to give you multiple sources, so just make sure to stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So, the very first step that you need to complete is to come over to the first platform for today, and that one is called Test.io. This is over at test.io, but first of all I want to explain to you what this website is. This is a site where you can test various apps, websites and such get paid. So the way this works is that companies from all over the globe will need someone to test their apps in order to find some bugs or problems. And of course, this is where test.io comes in. These companies will pay this platform, who will then pay people just like you to do the testing, and you're going to get paid. Simple as that. What you need to do, of course, is to go over to become a tester section up here, and in the next page you're going to see all of the relevant features for you. For example, you're going to work from anywhere, whenever you are, even from your couch. You're going to see over here that you can earn extra money. Then you're going to test the latest apps, and of course you're going to expand your mind. You're going to just sharpen existing skills and learn new one with this platform. The steps are like this. First of all, you're going to register for an absolutely free account. Then once you get on board, you're going to just start testing and earning money. Then you're going to just get paid based on your devices that you use, skills, interests, while you just continuously learn. And then of course you can become a great tester and you can get even more opportunities. What you need to do here is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking in the sign in button up here. Then you just need to put an email address, a password, and click on the sign in button, or you can even sign in with these other platforms as well, just like Google, LinkedIn and this other one. So this was the first platform that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to proceed to the next one called UserTesting. This is over at usertesting.com, and what I want you to do right away is to go over to the Get Paid to Test section. By clicking on that, it's going to take you over to this page. You're going to see and learn more about this platform. So you can just do this testing from your phone, tablet or computer in the comfort of your home and at your preferred location, so it is available worldwide. You're going to get paid to test, but you're also going to learn new things, and of course you're going to just get paid for that. You can see here there are 3 easy steps to start testing. First of all, you're going to just sign in with a simple form. You're going to complete your profile, and then you're going to become an active tester. You're going to just get assigned some tests according to your preferences and profile. So once you receive a start invitation, you're going to just perform a few simple activities while you are going to communicate your thoughts out loud. You're going to see that they pay you from $5 up to $90 depending on the test, and of course you're going to get paid through PayPal money at the end of the week. So you can see what are the requirements, what kind of software you need. For example, you need like a computer or a desktop, like a PC, Windows 7 or newer. You need the latest version of Google Chrome, a microphone, a webcam, only needed for some tests. For the mobile phone, there are these other requirements over here, and also they offer an app on Google Play Store and App Store. You can just go over to Google Play Store to see that they got more than 100,000 of downloads and 4.3 stars, and here on App Store they got like 4.6 stars. So they have pretty good reviews actually. And I want to mention even the first platform that I share with you today, which was Test.io, offers an app on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can just check it out by yourself as well. So I'm going to just proceed here with the sign up process, because of course you can even sign up for a free account by clicking on the start earning button, and then you're going to just put an email address. You need to be 16 years older, and then you're going to just agree to the terms of use and click on the submit button. You're going to put some other information as well in order to get started. So let me proceed to another similar platform, which is called UserTesting, and it's over at usertesting.com. You're going to go over to the Get Paid to Test here section, and you're going to click on it, and as you can see, you can get paid to share your perspective with global brands. You're going to earn extra money in your spare time by just helping brands build better products and experiences for people all around the world. world. Down here you're going to see how it works. First of all, you're going to just submit your email, and then you're going to take a quick practice test so you can join their community. Then you're going to just start browsing. You're going to get some questions that are going to match you with test opportunities, and new tests are released all the time. Then you're going to just start testing and going to make money, of course. So by scrolling down, you can even see some other features as well, some testimonials, and of course you need to just put your email address over here, click on this box in order to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and after that you need to click on the get started button in order to complete your profile. So this was another platform that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to share also last one, which is called UserFill, and it's over at userfill.com. You're going to just go over to the get paid to test, which is located up here, and once you click on that, it's going to take you over to this page. Here you're going to see that in order to become a tester, you're going to just spend like from 5 to 60 minutes in order to complete that test with your computer, tablet or smartphone, and they pay you from $3 up to $30 per test, which is pretty awesome. You're going to just see here that your job is to imagine a given scenario and perform some tasks in that, just like finding a product in an online store, going through the checkout process, and so on. You're going to help site owners find and fix usability issues. You're going to see that you may be asked to just go over through the checkout process, but you should not enter your real credit card details while you are going to perform a test. You're going to see that in order to be able to test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer, a mobile phone or a tablet, and you need also a microphone. You can even buy the cheapest one, which is like $2. You do not need to use your real name while conducting a test. You can use a fake one. You're going to speak in the language of the test. They are going to send you some tests which are only in your native language and in some other languages that you have set as fluently spoken in your profile. So you'll never be asked to speak in languages that you do not speak. You can see that you also need to take a qualification test actually in order for them to verify that you have a microphone and that you can speak your thoughts while completing a task. Down here you can even check out some other features as well, and then just click on become a tester. Then you need to put some information just like your first name, last name, email address, confirm the email address, your country of residence. You're going to notice that it is available all around the world. Then you're going to select your year of birth, your state, then your password, confirm the password. You need to choose the payment method, which is PayPal, and then put your PayPal email here. There are some demographic information that you need to put, like your gender, native language, which is very important because it's the language that you're going to get the tests, and also you can even put some fluently spoken languages if you have one. This is an optional step. Then you need to put your family status, children status, web experience, and the devices that you have available for testing, and they are listed here. Then just go over down here, accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and click apply for tester. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.